How to add scrolling announcement banner in Shopify. First of all, install the app. You can find the app link in the description below. Click on install. Click on install. After installing the app, we need to embed the app in Shopify theme. Click on open theme settings. Enable it and then click on save. After that, click on create a new announcement bar. Click it here. As you can see different options. Click on top or bottom bar. Click it here. Click on running line announcement. As you can see here, you can increase or decrease the animation speed as well. From here, you can change the direction of the text as well. From here, you can edit the text from here as well. We can change it to 30%. Here you can add a coupon code as well. Here you can add call to action. If you want to add a call to action in the scrolling banner, you can also add call to action as well. And you can link that call to action button with the product or anywhere else. After that, go to design. Here you can change the design. You can select the background color as well. From here you can add a gradient background as well. You can add a background image as well. From here you can change the font as well. From here you can increase or decrease the size of text as well. You can change the button color from here as well. After that, click on placement. Here you can add scrolling announcement banner for home page only. If you want for all product pages, you can select this. If you want for specific collections, then you can select this. If you want all collection pages, you can select this. If you want for every page, click on this. After that, click on publish. Here we need to select the plan. After purchasing a starter plan, here you can see 3 dots. Click on publish. As you can see, announcement bar published. Now let's check it in the online store. As you can see, the announcement bar is now showing. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can send your query to my email or send me a message to my LinkedIn profile. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.